There he is.
To do this, kids, then you need to ask him for a permission. Never do this on your own without a grandma with you.
$24 plus 6, buddy.
Oh,
What?
you're right.
Okay, keep trying. Do it, give it a judo. Yeah,
Is that gonna help?
alright, keep trying.
There, good enough.
Got it, eh?
Look.
Perfect. That's exactly where we want it. Found a nut for this too. How perfect is that? Okay, so that's the negative, right? Yes. So here's the positive, so put it on that one.
I thought we were doing the opposite because for my batteries, on the sides, we put them on the opposite sides of the negative and positive. This one should be easy. Okay. Ta-da!
Good. So now we're getting there. Okay. So we got that all hooked up. So now these two you don't want to touch together because they'll make sparks. You want to test it?
No, I'm good.
Okay, piranha clip. Put the piranha clip on the end there.
Which end? Of what?
Put the red one right there, buddy.
Okay.
Okay. Take the other piranha.
Okay. And where?
Right there.
Up above? Okay.
I wonder if we should do it the other way around. Actually, you know what, buddy? Where you going? Where you going? I changed my mind. I think that we should put the black piranha there and the red piranha there. Minor switch up.
Okay, careful. Let's mix it.
Let me see. Looks good. Now, you see how this
backing up. I said I'm backing up.
See how this one's here? I want you to make it actually right like that. Looks a little better. I'm just putting it on the nut instead of on the stud so that if it makes a spark, it won't wreck the threads. There we go. That looks good. Okay, we'll cut.
This is gonna be an hour.
Anyway, one thing we always need when we're dealing with Detroits is these things called earplugs. Okay, buddy, grab 2 of these.
This fits most ear size. Doesn't say.
Anyway, the hearing protection's in. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna run this baby. Ready? I haven't run it today, it's cold. I'm gonna pull this and go for it. Actually, one thing, if you got the video camera going, buddy, one thing, I want to just go like this just to make sure we got fuel. I think we do.
It's recording already. It's recording the whole thing.
Okay, good. That's good.
You're starting already.
I had some of these lines a little bit loose because there's no clamp on them. You can see there's a little leak there, so just want to make sure. Oh, I see a little pinhole in that. Take a look over here, buddy. I see a tiny pinhole in this filter.
What?
Look right here, look right here. Get your video camera.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? We better get a new filter for this thing today. See the little squirt hole there? Right there? I don't know if that is a tiny bit of rust that made that or what, but that's a pinhole.
Let me just zoom in.
Right there. But I'm gonna make a video for the internet, so I just want to say that we're gonna put a new filter on there. It has new oil, but we're gonna put a new filter on there. Okay, so we're still gonna try starting it.
So after it, we're gonna get a new filter.
Okay, yeah, here we go. Let's start this old girl. Ready, buddy?
Yes, wait.
Actually, what I want to do is I think I should open this up. It may not be fair to have that closed. There we go. Let the engine breathe. There she goes.
That kind of reminds me of a motorcycle, kind of.
It sure it is like a motorcycle. What we've done is just primed it. No leaks. This bottom is tight. Top is tight. That's replaced. Engine is still cold because it really only ran about a minute. But prime it. Here we go. No fuel leaks now. That's a good thing. I think it'll run a little bit better yet. Alright, here we go. Okay. That's how she runs.